2021 match statistics. So the admission cycle for American PG we just got over in 2021 match statistics. So first of all, the biggest announcement, the 2021 main residency match was the largest in NRMP history. The total number of first year position rose to about 35,194, which is almost 2.4% more seats compared to 2020. The number of non-US citizens, that is all of you guys, non-US citizen international medical graduates who got admission, grew by about 1,036 to 7,943 people who applied, and people who got match grew by about 134, that is 4,356. So total 4,356 people got admission this year. So the basic or a unique thing about the American process is the ratio. Like in India, when 10 students apply, one gets a PGC. Similarly, in the American match process, when 2 international students apply, one is getting a seat. Okay, that is the constant ratio maintained. Now let's understand what was unique. So in the last 5 years, the residency match has increased neurology positions by almost 45%. Family medicine seats by 43%, emergency seats by 38%, medicine primary seats by 29%, and psychiatry seats by 27%. So all in all, year on year, the number of seats are increasing. And finally, internal medicine seats were increased by 25%. So 2021 residency match actually created history for number of seats available and number of international students got admission. And when I talk about last 5 years data, okay, when we understand this, you will realize that there is an upward trend of non-US international students getting admission. In 2016, only 3,769 students got admission. This increased to 3,814, 3,962, 4,000, 4,222, and this year it was 4,356. So despite Donald Trump, despite the visa problem, despite COVID, I am glad to say that overall admission ratio has a upward trend for international medical graduates. So this is one good thing about the entire admission cycle what we observed, right? So overall, if we see the number of matching positions or number of people getting selected, this year was no different. Success story has been same for international medical graduates. Of course, now you will have a question in mind. What about my specialty? You know, it is obvious specialty wise also people have their interest. So what particular specialty are you guys interested in, you know? So let us understand individual specialty wise what was the unique data trend observed. So the first specialty is anesthesiology. Very popular in the United States, number one in terms of the net salary people earn after graduation. Highly paid specialty. And people say anesthesiologists are artists, you know, it's more, while it's science like medicine, it's more of an art. So experience becomes very important in case of anesthesiology. And in past, I have seen that people who get matched into this specialization, many of them already hold an Indian degree. So home country degree, already having a PG in India also seems to be of an advantage in this specialization. And if we see the trend analysis for last 5 years, it's on a decreasing trend. So 2017, 85% international medical graduates got into anesthesiology. 2021, it is almost 20% low. It's about 66 people getting admission. And how competitive it is in terms of marks. Step 1 marks required for anesthesiology is 236 and step 2 CK marks is 242. So you really need to get good score. Home country degree becomes very important. Then other parts of the CV. What about emergency medicine? Now there are students who like surgery but love medicine as well. So those who are not too sure and want to be a part of emergency trauma, like to be very proactive, are very highly active individuals. They want to be in forefront of all the OPDs. So yes, for you guys, this is a very unique field. Emergency medicine, very competitive. and very, very rewarding. So the trend of emergency medicine is on an upward. 2017, 20 international students got admission. In 21, 35 students got admission. It is competitive. Step 1, minimum marks required, average is 231. CK is 242. Family medicine. Now you might wonder, what is family medicine? Family medicine is like working as a GP or a general physician. Now in India, immediately after MBBS, you can start working in the job market. In America, you cannot. If you want to work as a general physician, you have to do post-graduation in family medicine. So family medicine is also very popular in America. And the trend analysis of family medicine is also on upward. 2017, 337 international students got admission. 21, 443 students got admission. Average marks required are less, 219 for step 1, 229 for step 2 CK. It is also observed that more green card holders and people who don't require visas, like American citizens or green card holders, are preferred in this specialization because many of these small clinics do not have capability to sponsor visas. What are the chances or what is the advantage of having a green card? Then yes, certain specialties you definitely have more advantage. Internal medicine, the most popular amongst the international medical graduates. How is the scenario for international medical graduates for internal medicine? Huge. 2017, 2000 people got admission, and this upward trend continued. In 2021, 2,212 international students got admission. So every year, international students getting admission in internal medicine is increasing. It is definitely increasing. So it's a positive trend, and the marks required are also increasing. Average step 1 score until last year was 233. This year it is 237, and for CK it is 243. Neurology. Again, this is one field where research becomes very important. Exposure to home country neurology or any experience with the field of neurology becomes very important. On an upward trend. 2017, 123 people got admission. 2021 is 179 people. All right. Average marks required also is increasing. Earlier the average was lesser. Now it is 233 for step 1 and 239 for CK. This is for non-US IMG's average mean score for people who matched. OBGY. OBGY is one of the toughest field to get into in the United States. It is very, very competitive, and minimum marks required is also on a higher side. As you can see, 2017, 41 people got admission. 21, it's about 34 people getting admission. So highly competitive. You need to have a tremendously well-researched applicant list. You really need to ensure that you have made the right networking, and you need to have right scores. The average step 1 score required is 237 and CK is 245 for OBGY. Pathology. Pathology is one field where marks usually don't matter, but your CV matters a lot. Many of the people getting matched in pathology already have a home country degree or have a PhD, a lot of extra degrees as well. Okay. Average marks required 229 and in CK it is 233. Pediatrics, again one of the most popular fields among IMGs. On an upward trend, 2021, 329 people got admission. Average step 1, 229, CK is 237. Psychiatry, the only field where your home country or Indian work experience is counted. Okay, so the trend has been almost similar. Every year around 130, 135 people get admission in psychiatry. Step 1 marks 225 and step 2 CK marks 235. Surgery, preliminary match statistics again is on an upward trend. 2017, 169 people got admission, and 2021, 191 international medical graduates got admission. Of course, if you see and compare it with medicine, it is going to be a ratio of 10:1. For 10 students getting admission into medicine, 1 is getting into surgery. And the average marks is 242 for step 1 and 246 for CK. So it's on a higher side. So surgery is very, very competitive. It is definitely not easy, and you really require a very good CV or the job profile.